Hello students, now I am going to teach you chapter number 15, Knowing Our Earth. Students, before begin the class, I would like to ask you some questions. On which planet do we live? Yes, earlier you have studied this chapter. On which planet do we live? Yes, that is Earth. Very good. What is the another name of our Earth? What is the another name of our Earth? Yes, it is called blue planet also, and it is called watery planet also. Do you know that why it is called a blue planet or watery planet? Because our Earth has 71% of water, so it is called watery planet. And one more thing, it looks blue from space, so it is called a blue planet. Students, today we are going to discuss about the Earth, globe, map, directions and compass. In this chapter, we will discuss about globe, map, directions and compass. So, let's begin with Earth, study of the Earth. Students, Earth, that is spherical in shape, and it was proved by Ferdinand Magellan. It is very big in size, and it is not possible to see the whole Earth at one time. So we take help of globe and map to study the Earth. Okay, let's see the globe. What is it? Look at this. What is it? It is a globe. It is a small model of the Earth. It comes in round shape. It comes in round shape means spherical in shape. Okay, students, the word globe is derived from the Latin word from globus, that means round mass or sphere in shape. Students, look at this globe. It is mounted on a stand. It is a stand. It is placed on a stand, and we can turn the globe to see the other part of it. Okay, it is a globe. Our next topic is map. Look at here. It is a map. Map is a drawing of the whole or part of the Earth on a flat surface. Maps can be small also, big also. There are different types of maps. It is very big in size. Look at this. It is very big in size, and it is called a wall map. See here. Now look. It is very small in size. We get maps in different sizes. Big size, small size. There are different types, different size of map. Okay. A book of map is called an atlas. Students, there are mainly two types of maps. First is political map. It is a political map of India. Okay, it shows the boundaries between the countries and states. Now look at this. It is a physical map. It shows the physical features of like deserts, mountains, rivers, seas, plains. Okay, there are mainly two types of maps. Okay, now let's differentiate between globe and map. What is the difference between map and globe? You have seen both things. It is a globe and it is a map. Okay, see, tell me the difference between two things, globe and map. Yes, it is very big in size, and we cannot carry this easily, but the maps which are very small we can carry easily. Yes, it shows towns, cities, and it shows towns, cities, small things also, maps, but globe it cannot. It is a small model of the Earth. Whole Earth shows. It shows whole Earth, but map can show the part of the Earth also. So there are these differences between the map and globe. Okay, Our next topic is directions. Directions. Students, there are mainly 4 directions. Let's discuss. There are mainly 4 directions. North, south, east, west. East and west. Besides these 4 directions, there are sub-directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Okay, these directions have to locate places on a map. Okay, the next is compass. Students, compass is an instrument which shows us directions with the help of small magnetic needle, which always points to the north-south directions. See, look at your book now. There is a magnetic compass. Okay, it was the chapter about knowing our earth. In this chapter, we discuss about globe, map, difference between globe and map, and directions and compass. So students, now you have to read the whole chapters carefully, then write the homework. Okay, your homework is to solve the back exercise of the chapter number 15, knowing our earth. Okay, your homework is exercise 1, fill in the blanks. Exercise 2, true false. Then exercise 4, answer in 1 or 2 words. Okay, answer in 1 or 2 words. Okay students, so read the chapter and solve the exercise. Thank you.